the reporters who would like to report matters of courts, particularly of High Court and the Supreme Court. The need for change of attitude of judiciary is also a concern. Judiciary must also clearly understand that free press is imperative for proper functioning of democracy. They should also have appreciation for their problems and difficulties of media and the press. We must realize that under what circumstances these people go to different places and report for all of us. You can imagine the condition in which reporters of the First World War or Second World War reported all the matters to the entire world. You can also appreciate the conditions thereafter about the reporters in Iraq, Afghanistan and other places. So there has to be a proper appreciation for the functioning of the press by the judiciary. Judges should not be forbidden to answer the questions of the press relating to administration of justice. Talking to press or a press reporter should not be considered a sin for a judge unless it's motivated by personal publicity. Now I'll narrate you a very interesting incident. In 1968, when I started practice, my father was leading me in an important case which was rather important for the state of Rajasthan. He never used to talk to any press reporters, so they got a hold of me and asked some questions. I answered those questions. When my father learned about it, he said, no, this is not done. We never talk about sub judice case to any reporters, and lawyers should always remain away from it. You know, that was the tradition in which we have been brought up, that we should keep the press entirely away from it, and whatever they want to report, it is their choice, but we should not initiate any dialogue with the press. The judiciary and the press must carefully realize that our common motto is serve the society. They both work for the benefit of the people, and communication between judiciary and media should be encouraged so that there is no communication gap. I'll narrate you one or two instances that people of my generation have been brought up in an entirely different tradition. For a short while, when I had gone to Bombay High Court as Chief Justice, the tradition is that original bar association, they invite the Chief Justice for welcome. I had gone to the original site and I was taken from a long corridor, and I could smell very foul smell for about 10 to 15 years. Then I inquired, what is this? This is the lawyer's toilet. Anyway, after the function was over, I inquired from the president, is this the condition of lawyer's toilet? And some of them were leading lights of the Bombay bar. I said, if the client can't get you a suite in Taj or Oberoi, perhaps you will not move out of Bombay. But the same lawyer is using those toilets which you can't stand from 20 feet away. But anyway, immediately thereafter I ordered renovation of all the toilets, lawyers' toilets and all that. One of my colleagues came to me and congratulated me for improving the hygienic condition in Bombay. In the process I also saw, because Chief Justice is supposed to deal with a lot of public interest litigation, and there's one day is fixed as Wednesday, and on Wednesday the court is extremely crowded. What to talk of getting a place for sitting, the press people can't really stand properly. So when I ordered renovation of the entire court number 1 and other courts, I also got some special chairs for the press. Again, some judges came to me and congratulated, Chief, it never occurred to us. We can really function so well in this courtroom, this and that. But why should we do it for the press? Why they need special chairs? Again, I could not comprehend. I said, don't you think that they are also discharging equally important function? and they also require some place where they can sit and take their notes. No, but chief, why special chairs for them? I said, because they need to write more than any one of us. That's the whole purpose. But that is a mindset that we should not have any dialogue with the press. But I think with the change of time, there should be change.